do these cookies. There we go. Time and date officially by the website. And what we've got is like electrical noise, so like a tumble dryer. It's basically moving, spinning, going boop, 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 boop. And then it stops for a little while and then starts again. So we're just trying to record that if we can. I'm going to stand somewhere where I'm not going to make noise. Aeroplane, yeah, of course. So I don't think this camera will pick it up. It's basically you can't really hear the tumble dryer, whatever it is, but you can feel like the bass, and you can hear the bass slightly. That's the noise there. It's going. It almost sounds like if there's a train station near your house and the train goes past on the tracks and it's like it's kind of a similar noise. And also then you can hear that noise where it goes, that's someone snoring through the bloody wall. So we've got someone's electrical appliance and someone snoring at the same time. There we go, it stopped. And it started again. So I'm guessing it's a tumble dryer, because they tend to have a anti-crease function on them where they run for a little bit and then stop and then start again. That's me foot rubbing.